I'm in a big empty car park, and would you believe it? Space is everywhere. Somebody is parked right next to me. Let's have a look. Oh no, it's that Ant's camper van man. And what? What? Alright. There's salt on the solar panel. I'm filming Ant, filming me.
Solar panel, and you bring it in. That's a tiny panel.
I know, but it does. Had bird poo on it as well. Bit better, see what I'm bringing in now. Yeah.
Big difference?
2.5.
Is that the same as?
I was on 2.2.
Oh, we gained something.
Yeah, so.
I did mine. It was really shitty.
Well, you go out and clean yours as well?
I've done it, yeah, I've done it.
Yeah.
I used the brush though. I had a few bits of bird shit, but it's dry anyway, so just turn the back of a brush it, and just go.
Bit easier to do mine.
Yeah, I've got the ladders there, cool they are. They're starting to wear out.
Well, been parked up at the beach for 9 days. Between this one and another one up the road, 9 days. Ant's here, and he's never been to Portland, so we're going to go and convoy up to Portland and do a bit of filming, vlogging up there. Stay there for a while. I thought my van was slow up the hills. Nice old bus that though. Outlive all of us. Hill, I've just gone down it. It's quite steep. Go on then, Anne, tumble on camera. That's the way to do it.
Do it, Bear Grylls style.
Yeah, we're just going to have a look at this. Well,
look at that. Got my hand on a fish.
Oh, you got a phone.
Oh,
We're just going to have a look at this old World War II battery.
1892. But yeah, what's that stand for?
Yeah, 1892. Victoria Regina, Queen Victoria. Get down here. Some steps. This is a Baron battery on Portland.
Battery?
Battery, yeah, it's a World War II battery. Used to be big old guns here.
Oh, inside it?
Now on top of the mounds. And a lot of the buildings are for the gunner crews, their quarters, and for the ammunition storage. Yeah, and I found a new home. Get a solar panel on the roof, we'll be right.
Yeah, a little bit damp. It's right in my van.
I think there was a smaller battery here built by Henry VIII, but the Victorians fortified it up more.
Whoa!
Just scared a kid that walked round the corner. We'll be going in one of them and having a look in a minute. Amazing place. Yeah, yeah. She come round the corner, saw me there. She screamed. Shame the old vandals have been down here graffitiing though.
Oh, they're cool. What are they?
I should imagine they were like the administration buildings and that. But they're all blocked up, those ones. And some of these you can go in. The guns were mounted up on top.
On top of that?
Yeah, on top of the hills. Let's go down and have a look. Don't know how well this camera picked this up. Echoey. I'm pretty sure that there was carts that carted the ammunition up through these. And gonna have a look. Certainly knew how to build, didn't they, the Victorians? Another open one here, and you can actually see the ammunition cart rails. See the gun mounts there, look.
Oh, wow.
That's where the guns were mounted, some of them.
This is where you mount your guns. Somebody's stored here. Put the feet up.
They've been all blocked up there with more modern concrete. Someone just let a gun off. Yeah. Oh, heavy. Yeah, so the older ammunition carts used to bring them ammo out for the guns. Kind of weird with all the graffiti. Oh, wind coming through there. What's in there? Looks like this is some kind of quarters.
This is the place you want to go when you're doing the ghost hunt, mate. I can't see a thing here, mate. It's black. Really, it's black.
I'm not sure if that's a fireplace or not. No. I think this is the actual ammunition store and they were shoved out through there. Apologies if you can't see too well, I'm using my phone light. Looks like another ammunition store. And the ammunition would have gone out through that hole in the wall. We've had a fires in here. I think people camping here over the summer. The usual drug paraphernalia. Oh no, we're locked in. Have a little hut there that Ant can move into. Some bars on here, leave him in there, perfect. So he's out there trying to poshing up his YouTube videos. Ant, I think you forgot your camera. Oh, I'm gonna have a look in here now. Haven't been in this one yet. Don't bump your head on the top like I just did. So, a bit darker in this one. Somebody's been partying in here.
This is the crap.
It's another ammunition factory. The ammo used to go out through them. Well, this one's a bit bigger. Oh, there's a big room. This is probably where they ate or something.
This square hole, anyone know?
Another big room here. Stinks of pee, that one.